For goodness of God, there's a lot of rakes. I love you, Lord. So just down strum. Oh, your mercy never fails me. So I do down, down, up, down. So just here and there, there's a little up, down, down, down. So you down, 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 ba-dum, bum, down, down, down. It's just for effect. You could do more of it or less of it. But the rake is a very beautiful way to emphasize chords. And rake means a slow down strum. And I emphasize the string a bit more by pressing slightly harder than I would with the normal strum. You get a crick sound on the strings, like that. Crick, crick. Where normal strum is just all in one go. Here it's like one note after the other. In the chorus, we build up the strumming pattern. The basic idea down, up, down, up, 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 down. The first beat is all the strings, but the next beats, the 2, 3, 4, is down on the bottom 3, maybe 4 strings. Down, up, down, up, 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 down. That's the essence of it. You can use that basic structure and then sometimes just add a few more notes or vary it a little bit as you seem fit. Hope this helps you. Happy guitaring.